Okay then, here we are in the west end of the greenhouse. Let's go take a look at the two stations. You can move this bench out of the way, it's on rollers. You see two stations, you only need to work at one of them. They're not identical, but you can use either one. And you'll notice that each station has 14 experimental units, 14 pots of plants. Two of the species of grasses have 4 pots, and 2 of the species only have 3. Remember, you can only use 9 experimental units in your experiment, so you've got to choose which ones to use. You also have to choose whether to use a randomized complete block or a completely randomized design. And which one of those you choose is going to depend upon the gradients that you have here. Particularly if you choose randomized complete block design, you have to know how to set up your blocks to address the gradients. So what gradients do we have? Well, the things that I see in here are heat. Along the back wall we have, for instance, some radiators along this wall, and there are radiators on the far wall, and so there may be hotter spots than others. The lighting's not too bad for a gradient. I'm trying to show you some lights here. The artificial lighting's okay, but when it comes to lighting during the day, the sun moves from east to west, and some of this superstructure up here might cause some shading. I'm not sure. And then lastly, we have air circulation in the room. At the end there you can see a fan blowing toward us, and as I'm doing this I feel air in my face. And then the air comes past our material and gets blown the other end of the greenhouse by this fan. So it goes in kind of a clockwise motion around the greenhouse. So there you have it. That's the materials and the gradients. Now read the information below this video and get ready for the assignment.